Yeah, just want to put a shout out there to everybody that's going through something right now. This post is what I like to call a passe prayer post. I would like for you to put your prayer requests in the comments section, and I will personally pray over every single prayer request over time, because I believe that during this time we all have to stick together as a people. We all have to put our lives back into perspective and to see how important having a relationship with God is in every aspect of our lives. If we have a strong relationship with God, then every other relationship and every other aspect of our lives can fall in order, and we can get back to what will be a new normal. So I just want to encourage you to put your prayer requests in the comments and to share this post with your friends and allow them to put their prayer requests in here also, so that we can start to develop a prayer chain, because prayer changes things and we all need things to be changed in our life for the better. God bless you, and I look forward to praying for each and every one of you.